bed by eating a lemon.
Yeah.
All the places in our house don't have good light. Sister's bathroom has the best light.
Yeah, so you might hear like a because he just went to bed.
So you can see this is a legit lemon.
I'll be right back.
So I'm gonna be opening it. I'm gonna be eating it. So this way would I'll be So lemon juice just got in my eye. Oh. And I'm gonna cut it like this. Okay. I'm gonna be cutting it like you would like with an orange.
Find it.
I don't know. Well, lemon juice just squirted in. Lemon juice just squirted in my eye. Do you want one?
Sure.
But wait, not yet. Let me have one yet. So this is a lemon slice. And 3. Wait, me first.
Okay.
3. Okay, make sure they can see you. Come. So I'm gonna eat it first. Ethan. Also good that we have the toilet. You go now.
Oh, very sour.
I'm going to be trying to eat the whole thing now.
My friend actually likes lemons. She has water. Oh, probably because it's lemon water and it takes all the sour out.
Okay. Let's keep those 2 for lemonade. Lemon water is lemonade, dude. Okay, I'm gonna try to eat the whole thing. I'm gonna make lemonade in my mouth.
It's not as bad as Warheads, but it's still really bad.
Fresh lemonade. Oh. Don't try this. Oh yeah, I hope you really like my intro also. It's the best one ever. What? The lemons are really sour. The lemons are so sour.
Bang on the wall.
I know.
Okay, any mess you make in here, you need to clean it up.
Okay.
That was just a sister. Do you want to hear her bathroom?
It's the best light. Like this video if you like this video if you want me to eat a lime.
I never tried a lamb before.
And also if you think this place is better to record, tell me that in the comments. So okay, that is gross. So subscribe.
I need water.
Okay. I'll show you. This is the bathroom.
Never tried lemons. Yeah, this is the toilet.
This is
It's hard to because we only have a front camera, so it's a little hard.